Episode 44D RAWSEP, comment on EPA reservation, PM2.5 monitoring. On September 15, 2022, the European Union stopped paying subsidies for industrial wood burning, IWB. Subsidies for Drax, the second largest IWB in the world, are being reconsidered by the United Kingdom. PM2.5 monitors were handed out free to disadvantaged residents in spring 2022 as pollution from RWB has surpassed traffic as percent of PM2.5 in the London, England area since 2019. An Alaska pilot project will hand out PM2.5 monitors to disadvantaged residents to track residential wood burning. I helped pass dozens of outdoor wood boiler, OWB, ordinances across Wisconsin in 2011. After an OWB ordinance passed in Madison, the health department inspected my wood-burning neighbor's property and found 3 wood stoves. At http://www.rawsepresidents.org, since April 20, 2022, I represent the news and views of near neighbors of RWBs in the United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, the United Kingdom, Europe, Africa and Asia. Videos/podcasts at YouTube, TikTok, https://www.tiktok.com/@RAWSEPresidents, Spotify, Podbean, https://rawsepresidents.podbean.com, Facebook, https://www.facebook.com/profile.php?ID =100083 4753035577, Twitter @RAWSPresidents. October 14, 2022, letter from 3 Republican U.S. House members to EPA head Michael Regan asked that EPA retain existing standards of 12 UG/M3. I favor changes. Particulate matter of 2.5 micrometer size, PM2.5, is the perfect size to infiltrate the human lung, causing a cascade of human health problems. RWB consists of 90% PM2.5. RAWSEP residents are near neighbors of RWBs, whose yards and homes are infiltrated with indoor RWB smoke from stacks of wood stoves. One macro pollution measurement is flawed. The Republicans argue that PM2.5 emissions will reduce without changes of the PM2.5 standard from 12 to 8. RAWSEP argues that PM2.5 emissions are now measured at a flawed, macro level, and could be measured more accurately, in a hyper-localized way in the case of RWB, with Purple Air PM2.5 monitors that measure levels every 10 minutes and are so reliable and accurate they are used on U.S. Air Now fire and smoke maps, correlated using a simple mathematical formula because they are laser counters, alongside reference EPA monitors, costing $100,000. Purple Air PM2.5 monitors cost under $300 and should be distributed free to residents to allow them to know the true level of PM2.5 hyperlocalized. 2 economies based on pollution should not continue. The Republicans argue that lowering PM2.5 emissions will destroy local economies. RAWSEP argues that present businesses should change to future clean businesses. 3 inconsistency is expected between Biden and Trump administrations. The Republicans argue that in December 2020 the EPA chose not to consider lowering PM2.5 standards. Then, the Republicans argue, in June 2021 the EPA chose to consider lowering the PM2.5 standard. The Republicans argue that this reduces certainty of what the rules will be. RAWSEP's rebuttal is that there was a change in administration between December 2020 and June 2021. The Trump administration was known for flouting environmental protections, and the Biden administration is known for fighting climate change and fighting air pollution. For regulation can be economical and still get results. Republicans argue that regulation of PM2.5 costs money. RAWSEP counters that by distributing Purple Air PM2.5 monitors, evidence of PM2.5 pollution can be gathered 24 hours per day, every 10 minutes, and displayed on both the U.S. Air Now and on the Purple Air map. Hyperlocalized PM2.5 data is stored for years on the Purple Air map, accessible to the general public and to governmental authorities. Cost would be less than $300 to each resident, or a less than $300 subsidy to disadvantaged residents vulnerable to polluting biomass industries, or RWB neighbors, and for internet service, which many residents will have, with expansion of broadband. Health departments will not have to inspect inside RWB's houses or determine if residents are using certified wood stoves or not, to know the level of PM2.5 emissions from a RWB stack, measured at the fence line on the property of near neighbors with the neighbor's own PM2.5 monitor. PM2.5 data can be downloaded by government authorities during normal working hours, after a night or weekend of wood burning, and after its PM2.5 levels have been reported by a near neighbor. There is already a human health cost to the near neighbors of RWBs, if RWB is allowed to continue. 5. The WHO is 5 UG/M3 Indian reservations have not been afforded air protections that have been provided to others in the U.S.